Hey there guys, Abhishek here and welcome back to AKBHD. There are so many options out there in the market these days. But if you're looking forward to buy yourself a home assistant, well, this video will make it easier for you to take that call. Google Home Mini, when I first saw it, was a delight. Little did I know that it could do all of these. This video will take you through the setup process and help you get started with this cutie. But before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with all my video updates like this one every week. Well, first of all, let's unbox this bundle of joy. I ordered this one with a very sweet deal of just above rupees 2500 and I'll leave you the links for that in the description below. Check it out for yourselves. Its packaging is okay kind of. However, I believe the handling was pretty decent as my package seems to be in good condition. Within this bubble wrap, there's that cute little box. The Google branding on the top left looks elegant and it says Google Home Mini. There are a few of the simple conversational commands which you can take a note of to begin with. Moving further, it shows the whole bunch of services from different partners that it supports. The list includes Google Play Music, Gaana, Saavn, Times of India, Philips Hue, TP-Link, Netflix, YouTube, Google Chromecast, etc. Well, let's unbox this thing and check out the contents with it. The packaging looks pretty minimalistic yet elegant. In that regular white suit, as it's Google, white is a custom. Look at that thing. It's the cutest assistant I can have, it seems. And I have here with me the Google Home Mini. Ta-dang! Wow, it looks and feels super cool in the hand. And the weight seems to be perfect. Not too heavy, not too light for the size. It's, to sum up, well balanced. This one you see here is the chalk color one. There are other variants like the coral and the charcoal ones too. At the bottom of this, there's a nice smooth rubberized finish mat branded with Google logo again. Looks elegant, isn't it? The rubber base adds to the grip onto the surface where it's kept. It's the size of a small pocket portable Wi-Fi Bluetooth speaker. Easy to carry along with you. Priced at around $50. In India, I got it for a price, as I said, just above rupees 2500. Now when you hold this thing, the fabric on the top of this Home Mini is great. I mean, it looks and feels nice to touch. Let's take a closer look at the Home Mini now. At the sides, you have the power in port. And you also have the sleep toggle button to help you choose when the device should be active or in sleep mode. Here we have some user manuals to start understanding the features of this device. Let's keep this aside for now. Then we see the nice good quality power adapter to power up the Home Mini. The power adapter looks nice with the Google branding. It has a micro USB type powering port. Let's plug it in and power it up to start the device. So it asks us to download the Google Home app to get started.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Let's download it from Google Play Store. And then set up the device quickly. Setting it up is super easy and it prompts every step on the screen to help you proceed. It connects to the Wi-Fi and looks out for the compatible devices nearby. Then it requires you to coach the Home Mini to recognize your voice. Hey Google. It sets up your voice match by choosing the output voice type 1 or 2, and you're almost done here. Add the address and the list of services you would like to access with this. That's it. You're good to go.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
It shows you a couple of commands that you can begin with on the screen of the Google Home app. Also, it tries to find out other compatible devices nearby. Here, it checks for my Chromecast. Since I have that plugged into my TV, it's live now. So that's it. You're all set up to explore, and you will also have the Google Home icon on the phone screen now. You can start with the basic commands like, "Hey Google, how does my day look like?"
Good evening, Abhishek.
It would give you the description of some of the quick things that you would like to know. Also, the traffic updates, the time needed to travel to your office or to your work location. And then by default, it starts playing the news.
Here's the latest
You can
news.
stop it anytime in between too by just saying, "Hey Google, stop." Hey Google, play me some cheerful music.
Sure, here are some songs.
You can play YouTube on your TV using it too, along with accessing many other services like Netflix, Savan, etc. Okay Google, can you play me some latest video in the family room TV?
Alright, playing latest videos from YouTube on Family Room TV.
You can also engage with it for a normal conversation like, "Okay Google, what's my favorite color?" It will tell you if it has
I
learned
don't
it
know that
somehow,
yet.
or
What's your favorite color?
ask you about it. Save it as black. It remembers it after the same.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Let's try out a few more commands. Hey Google, tell me about a few Chinese restaurants nearby.
I found a few places within 1.9 kilometers.
Well, that's all for this video. You guys take care and have fun till we meet up in the next one. Till then, let me have some more fun with this one. Stay subscribed and please leave a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you to understand the functionalities and the setup process of the Google Home Mini. Take care and keep modifying your lives.